Okay, so now we'll look at programming 2.1, which is a relatively simple program. We just have to change the value of this x. So something that, so if we run this, we see that the local variable here, this x, changes to to 9. But all we've done is copy in the value from this x here into here. So this function doesn't actually have any access at all to this value here. So when we change x to 9, it only changes this local variable. So the change is fairly simple. What we want to do is know where this x is, so we'll pass it the address. And because this isn't just a regular int anymore, this is going to be a pointer to an int. So the address of that x. These will complain if I don't change them to pointer. And then we see that this doesn't quite work still. So that just changes x to 9 still. So that's still a local variable. So what we need to do is follow that address in x. And here we see those addresses. The address x stays the same, and we've updated the main value. Alright, so that's 2.1.